Seamus. Good girl. Good dog. You can tell him, Tilly. You can tell him, Tilly. That's right, you can tell him, Tilly. Good girl. Good Seamus. Good Seamus. There's a boy.
Well, we're not going to call you Tilly. You're going to be Trinity.
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 Trinity. What a good girl. Yes, you have a big head. You have a big head. There. Ooh, he peed for you. Yep, he was showing you that it was okay.
Oh, hi, Jamie.
What do you think?
Calm down. He maybe thinks he's playing. My son has a Rottweiler.
I don't think Tilly's very intimidated. Easy on our knees.
I know.
He's right after her. He's scaring her. Seamus!
Ew! Ew! Come here, boo! Good girl!
She's smiling.
Yeah, she's not backing
She's like,
down.
I'm kind of happy, but I'm terrified the same way.
Exactly. It's like, I think this is going to be okay, but...
Do we know what she does with cats?
She has been introduced